Hey, what's up? My name is Amir, and welcome back to Street Production 303. And yeah, I know it's been like 2 weeks since I've made a vlog for the channel. And yeah, I have been uploading videos on the channel, but it's all been C8 Corvette content, which, you know, is really great. I've got a lot of positive feedback on those videos. But a personal vlog that I've shot, no, it's been about 2 weeks or so. And today I got off of work a little bit earlier, and when I got home, I'm like, damn, dude, I need to go shoot a vlog. And I had plenty of time, the weather was perfect, and I haven't driven the Corvette in about, I don't know, about a week or so. And I know these really cool country roads right close to my house, so I figured I'm gonna go push the car a little bit, have a little bit of fun, get some driving shots for you guys, get some flyby shots for you guys, something that I haven't done, actually something that I really haven't done in a long time, and get a little bit of exhaust sounds and things like that. I mean, it's gonna be a cool video. And I do want to thank all of my subscribers. Thank you so much. This channel wouldn't be possible without you. In the last 2 months, the growth has been crazy, and the channel has been looking really good. My goal by the end of this year is to hit 10,000 subscribers. It is kind of a lot, but I set my goals really high and I work to achieve them. So hopefully I can get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. If you guys have a friend who's into cars, you know, let them know about my channel, tell them about my channel, check me out on Instagram. All the info is in the description, and I do appreciate your support. And I don't want to waste any more time. Let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Check this out. hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I had a blast shooting it. It was crazy. The biggest problem is that while I was trying to record and film for you guys with my right hand, I had to steer with my left and I had to shift gears, and it made it a little bit tougher, and then pay attention to the road. So don't do that. Man, I was going crazy on those roads. I did keep it under the speed limit. Anyway, if you did enjoy today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.